Hello, my name is Turkka Huhtala. I'm a hammock enthusiast from Finland. Now I'm going to tell you why I fell in love with the Colibri travel hammocks from La Siesta. The typical question is that what is the minimum distance between two trees for a hammock? Well, you can always go and check detailed info from La Siesta website. But the rule of thumb is that if you can take 4 or 5 steps between two trees, there you have the perfect distance. All the Colibri hammocks have fixing ropes included, 3 meters each. If your tree is so thick that you can't put your arms around it, then you should probably go find yourself a thinner tree. So first we're going to attach the both ropes. All the instructions are inside the hammock pouch, so you don't have to be a German engineer to succeed in this. The rope has 2 loops in both ends. Make sure the smart hook is already in the other end. Then you have to thread the smart hook through the loop like this, and the rope makes a knot and tightens around the tree. Make sure the ropes are as high as you possibly can have them, because that makes the hammock more comfortable. Now I'll show you why I really like the La Siesta designed smart hook. The hammock has these small loops in both ends, and you need to put the rope through it and then attach it to the smart hook like this. The smart hook can then be used to find the perfect height for your travel hammock. Just slide the rope through the hook and you can easily adjust the height where you like it. Colibri travel hammock for single person is 150 centimeters wide and can weigh 180 kilos, so it can accompany even 2 people if needed. Weighing 750 grams, it's a real ultralight travel companion you can have with you wherever you go. One more thing, all the Colibri travel hammocks can also be used as beach blankets. By opening these knots at the end of the hammock spreads open, and voila, you have a beach blanket you can use to sit on or to protect your valuable gear on the beach or whatever you can come up with. Sell your bed, travel the world, and find 2 trees. I wonder what my wife thinks about it.